Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a multi-AI agent system in 8n8. So we are going basically to head over our platform, sign in for an account, and head over our project. So we are going to create a new workflow. I'm going to have it as here. So this is the workflow. And we're going to start negotiating in here. What can we do? So basically, we're going to have the first step as a trigger message. So we are going to head over here on a chat message. So we are going to have the chat message. So you're going to have it as like this. So whenever a person have a message set up for this, you can go ahead and have it like that. And then you're going to have your way. So let's say that we have made this particular area. Now, what we're going to do basically is to add an AI agent. So we are going to click on the plus on the nodes. We are going to add a node AI agent. So we are going to have it just like that. And then we are going to have the source of prompt, the connected chat trigger node. Yes, we are going to have it like that. And then we can go ahead and have, for example, the chat model and the tool. So before I add a chat model or a tool, I'm going to add a property from the options. So we are going to have given the property of system message. So this is where it is going to be a little bit fun. So we are going to have here a prompt. So for example, you are an agent. We are going to put our prompt that here can or that will respond for the messages or the requests that has or have been given, for example, to you. You can go ahead and put your specific, let's say here, prompt. You should not set up mine. It is going to be up to you with SEO. Let's say here, I'm going to put it like that, SEO. Here, results, and we're going to have it just like that. So you are going to be an agent that will respond for requests from uh, clients, or uh, you can go ahead and put your messages, and you're going to have it just like that. So now for the chat model, you can go ahead and have a chat model and add whatever you want. So for example, I can go ahead and have here DeepSeek. So you can go ahead and have the chat, and then you're going to have your account. Make sure that you have added your credential at least in here. So I'm going to have it just like that. Now we are going basically to add a tool, which is going to be the insertion model. So we are going to have or given the DeepSeek the ability to access the net. So we are going to give it here a tool, which is going to be, so we are going to search for the node SERP API, which is going to be the Google search. We are going to have it right there. You need to set up the credentials. So it is going to be, I think, giving you between 10 to 15 search result per a free account. So you need to set that. Here, I did not add it at this yet, so you can go ahead and have them added right there. Now, what we're going to do basically is going to have another AI agent, which is going to be like that. We're going to have AI agent. We're going to connect it to the defined, for example, below, or you can go ahead and have here another option set up. So we're going to have it as maybe moderator. So we can go ahead and have here the chat model, or we can go ahead and let's say here, I'm not going to have here the tools or agent tools. So instead, I can go ahead and have here maybe also, let's say here, open AI. So we can go ahead and use open AI, and we can go ahead and have the message a model text actions. You can go ahead and have it right there. You can go ahead and add your credentials, and the operation is going to be from here. The model is going to be added to the credential. So from here, you're going to have to add, depending on the credential, maybe GPT-4o mini or GPT-4. I would like to add GPT-4 mini. It is going to be better. So you can go ahead and select or create your credential. Then you're going to have the list from. So you're going to choose from the list GPT-4 mini. And then you're going to have, as you can see here, the prompt. So you can go ahead and give it the prompt as we are going to have in here. So we're going to have here the prompt. So let's see if we are going to see the prompt executed in here. So basically, we're going to give it the role of an assistant, or we can go ahead and have it as a system. So like that, and here we have the prompt. So the prompt is going to be set up in here. So you can go ahead and have maybe here you are an editor for the AI, an SEO maybe, an SEO editor for the AI for the agent that is, for example, like that, that is giving you the, let's say here, the result. So we are going to have in here the parentheses. Then we can go ahead and click on and extend this. So basically, when you have tested out the AI agent in here, so this is, as you can see, the workflow. You can have here the fields, and then you are going to copy and not copy, but basically grab the field in here of the content. So you're going to have here the content and put it in here. And then you can go ahead and start extending the specific expression or the prompt of yours. So that was set. So I can go ahead and let it as it is. And then we can go ahead and add another node, which is going to be here from also OpenAI. So we can go ahead and have here maybe a moderator or something like that with a message, a model also. You can go ahead and set up the credential, the model also. You can go ahead and set up the same one, which is going to be maybe GPT-4o mini or GPT-4o normally. And then you're going to have also the prompt. So you can go ahead and set up the prompt as much as you want. And then you're going to make it a little bit bigger. So you're going to put expression and then you're going to have everything set up. So this prompt is going to be also related to the other one, which is going to be here the Open AI. You're going to have the item or the content in here and put it just like that. So unfortunately, I did not had the credential to set it up, but you're going to have the thing set. So basically, as you can see here on the screen, I have this mini video showing up right there. This is how you can go ahead and have the content shared or added to the specific prompt. As you can see in here, in my case, I couldn't have done that, but I have this video example to show you how you can do that. Basically, if you have set up the prompt correctly and also the message and test them out, you're going to see this result. So here I have renamed these ones. So I'm going to put this like that. And what I am going to do basically is to duplicate this one. So we are going to duplicate it and we are going to have it just like this. So I can go ahead and have here the same one. Maybe I can go ahead and have another prompt for it or something like that. I need to filter, as you can see here, the information as much as I can. So here I can go ahead and have here the summary of this specific here agent. So I can go ahead and have here the summary. Can go ahead and have the prompt of something in here. Basically everything is added before, so you can go ahead and some put here summarize all the content that you have. For example, you have got from let's say here the before here. So basically you're going to have the content and then you're going to paste it right there. like I have shown you in the few seconds, the previous few seconds from the video. Then at the final moment, you can go ahead and have here creating maybe a Google Doc, for example, Google Docs. So you can go ahead and have create a document, for example, in here, and then you're going to have the credentials. So you need to add the credential. It is going to be very easy. The source is going to be the document, and the operation is create. Then you're going to have it like that at the end, and you're going to put the name of it. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.